Here's a video I made just to show people a quick and easy way to change secondary hose. Now here's a typical example of a farmer who has it taped up. It's down there on the end, so it's probably cracked. I use Kanaflex hose. It's from Dakota Hose out of North Dakota. I use that for both primary and secondary hose. It's much better than the John Deere hose, and just slightly thicker. So what you want to do is you just want to cut a piece to the length you want it at, screw it in here up top at the sensor, and then just start heating it up. Heat it in particularly around the machine notches in the feeder tube. And once it starts smoking and gets hot enough, just start pulling on it and it will come out like a hot crayon. And the real way to do it is actually stick in the new hose immediately, but I'm recording here with this phone, so I have to mess with this at the same time. But yeah, you can put in the new hose right away. But since I didn't, I'm just heating it up again real quick, and then I'll push it down in there. And you'll know when it's down in there. You'll start feeling some resistance, and then it will go down in there and get past those notches. And then have some water ready, because you want to douse it really quick, because if you don't, the hose will melt and kind of collapse in on itself, and it won't be a perfect round tube in there. And you'll know too, if it stands straight up like this, it's good. If it kind of starts bending to the side, then you just melted it too much. And that's how you do it.